April 16th, 2022. I'm on the scene of a still fresh missile strike where the damage around us would be incomprehensible anywhere except for the war zone known as Ukraine. You can see the tractor is trying to clear some space for the rescue workers to work. The sounds of saws are operating all around me. Books, cars, crushed metal. This is war. This is war. I'm now crossing over. This is an entire city block destroyed. Injuries and deaths are still being counted. Municipal workers behind me. Here we have the other side. You can see police have the street blocked off. Apartments, offices, Kentucky Fried Chicken, and a pharmacy, all destroyed by the Russian war criminals. This is terrorism. This is terrorism on Easter Eve in Kharkiv.
У вас есть какой-нибудь знакомый, что вам обувь?
Пошла вода? Да. Рука он перебит.